So you cannot use Chang'aa laws to take me in, because Kang'ara is not Chang'aa. Molasses is not, but we know these are the raw materials that are used, and if you don't curb it from the source, and that is why in our initiative, even the one that we are starting today, they are under strict instructions. Don't bother with the drunkard. Huyo amejifurahisha tu, labda alikuwa amechoka. Follow where that person is coming so that you deal with the source. Don't deal with the drunkard. Wacha mulevi aende nyumbani asubuhi atakuwa sawa. But the guy who is brewing, we are going to be ruthless with you. These 3 months, mujipange. If you bribe, weka pesa mingi because we are coming. If you fight, weka nguvu nyingi ukule ugali because we are coming for you. This is not a fight we are starting with jokes. We know the way these people walk with the briefcases. Ndio nasema usiweke kidogo, weka briefcase mingi, tukuje naye ianze kujenga mabarabara huku. Because this is how we have destroyed this country. We have removed condoms in these alcoholic drinks. If you go to our pictures, you will find me holding those things coming from stuff that our Kenyans are drinking. And if we don't think that is tragedy, good people, I don't know what tragedy is.
Ugo no njede kwira judiciary atiriri gutiri hado gakwirwo ati he mundu mwaka umwe wira gwatiriri ndurute 5,000 kana ho mwaka umwe katutangĩtĩkĩra tu judiciary tukahuthira penalty ya ndito biũ kuri andu aya tondu mawatho maria mothe twina muri twina mawatho mega mawatho mathaka no kũngĩkorwo atiriri ati hindi ciothe mundu anyitwo ri jaji ri arithiaga kana magistrate ri arithiaga heka watho karia kahuthu muno kana ka punishment karia kahuthu muno akanengera mundu uyu wiki waganu wa kuruga njohi na dawa cia kurevia nduguthira ni kuongerereka. So that means njede kwira judiciary atiriri ona nyuruta imaguru ngonia reke yo na ithu tukorwo twi party ya kurua na wikina yoyo wa njohi na dawa cia kurevia ona mundu anyitwo arehwo kuria kana ni kunyuaga kana ni trafficker we mwene kana ni peddler reke tumuhe sentence area maximum no ndu uyu ni uguka uthiete thi na mihaka itu by the way itwikite very porous ni werareho indo ici tariu fangi area very premium yumaga haha Ethiopia na agikora yuma Ethiopia ri iragera mihaka-ini ino itu na ogwira okari kuri ona borithi kuri ona andu a customs kuri ona other government agencies aria mararekeria ndawa ici ciuke reke tugi atiriri handu haha ri hekwenda will wendo twina wendo nyamu ici ni kuruama kiria kingituma fangi yume othe kuma Ethiopia uka gukuthika ri ni gitumi kiriko niki tungirugamia